Somebody, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Na 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 na. Take a breath, girl, life rough, but you're stronger than the pain we try to drown your soul. Me see the tremble in your face when the world fling more problems by your back, but you no fall. Hold tight, me tell you every setback, feel a warrior who not bow for nobody. Them chat plenty, but them can't crush your fire. Your spirit stable, ready for rise steady. Some days cool, some nights long, but me die, I may not leave you lonely. Rise up, queen, wipe your tears, your destiny great like gold truly. Cry no more, girl, lift your mind, I make the blessing flow strong through this storm and the madness. Keep the focus firm, push through, never let the world take away your gladness. Your heart built tough like steel, when trouble try mash it down ruthless. Stand tall, my love, your journey far from done. Greatness come with pure progress. Me know life beat you down till you feel like you can't breathe, but me swear you're tougher than them childs. Every bruise teach sense, every fall show truth about who fake and who loyal. Them want see you break, but your strength not crumble. You rise louder than any bad mind denial. Lean for my chest, me protect you, me guide you through every storm when the night feel brutal. Your word priceless, girl, me promise your future bright, hold on tight, destiny vital. Cry no more, your tears belong to joy, not sorrow. We're trying to sink your dreams deeper. Lift your face to the sky, feel the breeze, tell us the trouble can't win if you keep faith sweeter. Push forward, never bend, never let the weight drag you down weaker. Miss the strength in every move you make, every breath you draw, you glow like fire brighter. Hold firm, girl, me ride with you through every chapter. Girl, rise for your purpose, no fear for the battle, cause your heart built raw like iron flame. Nobody can judge your path, your story more powerful than any gossip them try for claim. Stand proud, wipe your cheek dry, remember you're born with greatness running through your veins. Me tell you, storms come quick but strength stay longer, shaping you into something untamed. Stay focused, stay brave, your tomorrow bright, no matter who try for bring you shame. Lift up queen, everything soon change. Cry no more, girl, rise over pain, push past the weight, we try to crush your spirit lower. Hold faith strong, step firm, keep moving forward till life shine warmer. Your strength are glow, your footsteps built under, nobody can conquer your power. Me say hold tight, better days come quick, stay blazing like your one tower.